Let's create a basic calculator website using ChatGPT. Just type calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now ChatGPT is replying with some explanation. And then it will generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code in just a few seconds. Let's copy the code in. Paste HTML code in index.html file and save it. Paste CSS code in style.css file and save it. Now it's time to create JavaScript code to make our calculator working. Now copy JavaScript code and paste it in script.js file and save it. This is how our basic calculator website looks like. Let's do some calculations. You can see it working completely fine without any bugs. We didn't write any code. ChatGPT created this website in less than 1 minute.